What's up, everyone? How is it going? Let me to present you this great looking cinematic preset for Lightroom which we made according to your requests this week. Guys, if you don't want to repeat after me, you also can download this preset on our website. To do that, you should look for a password which appears twice on the top right corner as you can see it now. The link to download this preset you will find in the description below the video. Also, we made the same color correction for video. So now you can have your photo and video content in one style. Which is awesome, isn't it? You are able to use this loot in any video editor you got. Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut and even VN Editor for mobile phones. You can find the link to the video loot down below in the description. Guys, if you need the preset right now, if you have no time to watch this video and repeat after me or look for a password to download it for free, you can just go to our website presetstore.com and find your favorite color correction there. It's not for free but it's worth that. Every presets contains from 3 to 6 versions for PC and mobile platforms of Lightroom. Check it out, guys. So, let's get started now.
Feels heavy on your chest. I wish I could carry the weight all on my back. Colors now faded. There's only so much hoping that I can do, but I'd rather lose than lose you. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to put your heart to rest. I'll keep waiting as long as it takes. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again.
Give this video a like, and if the video gets 300 likes in the week, you are able to get luck with the same color grading like this preset has.
feels heavy on your chest. I wish I could carry the weight all on my back. Colors now faded. There's only so much hoping that I can't do, but I'd rather lose than lose you. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to put your heart to rest. I'll keep waiting as long as it takes. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again.
Give the video like, and when it gets 300 likes we'll let you download the same video LUT for free. Words spill out of your mouth. You wish you were someone else. I miss you, but I know you miss your old self too. Silver wants golden. There's only so That's it for now. Your preset is ready. Let's look at other photos to make sure the preset fits great on it. Have a nice day guys. See you next time.